Let's understand how web app actually works. Suppose you type google.com in your browser. Then first of all your browser check that request or that URL in its cache, and if it's not found in cache, then it pass it to DNS. DNS stands for domain name system, which is used to convert human readable like google.com into the IP address which browser or server can understand. Once the IP address is obtained, the connection is established using the TCP. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol ensures the reliable communication between the server and the client before the data transfer and ensure that the data packets are sent correctly. If the website use HTTPS, which is always preferred over HTTP because HTTP sends the plain text, but HTTPS sends the encrypted data, and the request is sent to the server. Request consists the HTTP method is it get, post, put, delete, and the header like cookies and some data and optional body. Once the server the, get that data, it process it and hardly it checks in the database to give the response. Now the response consists the status code, is the data succeed or not, and the body of the data which needs to return as the response. Like if the user sends request for get his details, then the server responds his detail, username, and the mobile number and the address, whatever it is. And this whole complete cycle is known as the request response cycle because when the client receives the response, it starts rendering the page HTML, CSS, JavaScript. After the response is received, then it is rendered as the page, not instantly rendered the page.